With the Cedar cladding, you can see the cladding running down here. You have a pressed aluminium or plastic windowsill. So it's just a flat piece of plastic or flat piece of aluminium fixed onto the window and basically glued down to the timber frame panel. Across the top then you just have a piece of the cedar cladding returned around to form the head of the window. So we go back to drawing in the frame. Again, the frame is normally specified. We'll go with a 75 by 150 mm frame again, as we did in the last question. And again, we'll always start up towards the top. Measuring from the breather membrane outside, we'll come in the 15 mm. And we've got our box put in. Straight away, we cut the sash out of it, the opening part of the window. And again, if they don't specify a size, it's normally about 6 or 60 millimeters thick. And again, just draw in the sash. And then we build the frame around that. And again, I'll just darken the frame in so you can see it. You don't need to be using biro. You've got your insulation in the frame and your airtight seal. So insulated frame, airtight seal. Triple glazing shown with 3 lines. We'll continue those down in a minute. And then we finish off our sash, the frame of the sash. So the sash is the full opening part of the window. We've got that on top. Same thing when we come down to the bottom, we transfer that width down. So the width of 150 comes down. And we've got our 75 millimeter measurement. Sash chopped out of it as it was in the top. So just anywhere there, chop it out and take the width of the sash down. And again, that's any size. Continue our triple glazing down into the frame. If they ask for an insulated frame, it's no harm to show some insulation in that. There's your insulated frame, just quickly drawn in. Build the frame in position there. And again, just a bit of a gap between the frame and the sash, just so we can get insulation into it. And our airtight membrane, or sorry, our airtight seal. Now, I've left this little line out, and that's for a good reason. I'm going to draw on the pressed aluminium sill now, and the sill just is an angled piece of aluminium, we said, or plastic, and we're going to show it recessed into the frame of the window. And then we'll show it drop down. So on top then we have the cladding just returned around to form the head of the window. And if you have time, we said only if you have time, don't be using colour if you don't have the drawing completely finished and the labels all in. So if you've got the drawing finished, all the labels written in, then you can use a bit of colour for just 2 minutes to make the drawing look a bit better. and that's basically our details put in.